What's up, cousins? Welcome back. I have been protective styling all summer, and throughout the summer I have come to you guys with different videos giving you guys my tips on how to stimulate hair growth, how to maintain healthy hair and a healthy scalp while wearing braids, and also how to wear low tension hairstyles with your braids. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys all about old braids or braids that you just aren't ready to let go of yet. You guys know, like those little fuzzy, like stick out end pieces where your natural hair ends and the extension hair begins. As your braids start to get old, we all know that that can really kind of make or break your hairstyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different ways, from easy to most difficult, or really just little thought to takes a little bit more time and practice. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I call all my subscribers my cousins because I'm from the South, and in the South everybody got a cousin. So just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and let's get started.
What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies! What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up?
So if this is your first time watching my recent videos, here's just a quick look at my small ombre box braids. And then here's an example of a braid that needs some maintenance. As you can see, natural hair has started to peek out the braid, and I want my braids to look as neat as possible for as long as possible. So the first really easy way to conceal that is to add an accessory to hide the hair. You can use the popular gold cuffs or long wooden beads. I used colorful silicone rubber bands for the trendy look. It's quick, easy, and adds a new layer to your style. The second simple way to hide frizzy ends involves essentially molding your hair back to the braid. Using the same product I initially installed my braids with, the LovelyBs Edge Control, I'm going to wrap the frizzy end around the braid and stick it in place with the edge control. To make sure the ends don't move, I'm going to use a little bit of the Got to Be Glued styling spray to lock everything together. This method is great for quick touch-ups and no accessories needed, but this method you definitely need to repeat every 3 to 4 days as the hairspray breaks down with steam and sweat. The last method takes the most time but yields the most natural results. You're going to need a crochet latch, and you're basically going to carefully weave your natural hair back into the braid by pulling it through each hole until you run out of hair. For extra security, you can spray a little hairspray at the end to make sure it locks in place. This method takes a little practice, but my best advice is to take your time. I've had my braids going on 3 weeks now, and they still look pretty good if you ask me. So I hope one of these methods work for you if you're looking to freshen up your own braids. Don't forget to like and comment below, and definitely share this video with someone else who wears braids. See you guys in the next upload.